वेलकम टू भारत मार्ग। नवीन जी, नवीन भार्गवा जी हैं हमारा साथ। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। वेलकम वेलकम टू यू नवीन जी। Naveen ji is the MD of one of the fastest growing franchises, friends, in Vedic mathematics. I highly recommend. It's called Aryan Vedic Mathematics. You can go and check it up. He has given all the detail here. If you are interested in franchise opening abroad, okay, or in Bharat, this is a great opportunity, because this way you are able to spread the dharma. And also, and I can say you, Naveen ji's heart is in teaching the kids. Okay, I will completely endorse him for this. Okay, if you have any question, friends, our WhatsApp number will be coming here. You can always feel free to contact and ask any questions you have. Okay, and make sure your children read it, children watch it. That's the whole idea, friends, what we are doing. Okay, so friends, let's talk. Before we get started with the Vedic mathematics, today we are going to see about divisions. Naveen ji, I used to literally fear about divisions. You know, uh,
No.
means जैसा क्लास में सिखाए थे मैथ्स बोला तो I will just say you, okay,
Yeah.
I'm going to give you a secret, okay, that
Mhm.
I never shared before. Okay, in my engineering I had only 4 papers backlog. That was max
Okay.
1, 2, and 3 and 4. Okay, so
Mhm.
you know in it is like, for me max is like castor oil taking. It's difficult. you know but
Yeah.
you say that division is no more difficult at all. I will love to learn it. Friends, I hope you can relate to what I am saying. Your children may be in my shoes. You want to see this and learn it. But before going further, friends, please make sure to like the video, comment on the video, share the video, because we all have a responsibility to share the video. Okay, it's not about you are doing a favor for me, Naveen ji, or for anybody. Okay, you are doing a favor for our dharma and desh. Okay, so do share it and subscribe the channel Bharat Marg and press on the notification bell to stay connected, so that whenever we go live you are aware of and you can come and join. Other than that, we are into a lot of services, as you can see all the posters. If you think somewhere we could be of any service to you, please do make sure to contact us through our WhatsApp and let us know. And also you can support us by going to bharatmarg.com and pressing the donate now button, and doing dan for us, because we don't charge anything for your services, and we work on dan. Okay, so do support us if you like our work. Okay, नवीन जी, वेलकम। आपके लिए बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
Thank you. Okay, so let us start this topic. First of all, I'll let you know that what is the meaning of Paravartya Yojyet. Paravartya Yojyet. It stands for transpose and adjust. Transpose and adjust. Transpose means when say from one side of equal to sign we take it on the other side, so we change the sign. So basically in this division we have to change the sign. How we have to do this, let me show you. First of all, I will take an example 102 and here 1034. So first of all, we need to know the table of 102 in the traditional way. But in Vedic maths, what you have to do? Simply, we will find what is the base. Base means the number which is closer to this number, like powers of 10. It may be 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. All these numbers, these kind of numbers. So this number should be closer. Just like, so how much it is more than 100? It is 2 more. So since it is 2 more, so here we will place a sign of negative. The meaning of transpose. We are transposing. It was 2 more, so I have written 2 less. I have changed the sign. And then start proceeding this. The first step is we have to copy this number. It is 1, so we will write 1 over here. Then we multiply this 1 by these two number. 1 multiplied by 0, 2 is 0, 2 with having bar. Again, the second digit would be 0 minus 0. What is that? 0. So we will write 0 over here. Now again, we multiply this 0 by this number. So 0 multiplied by 0, 2. That is 0, 0. Last number reached to just below this number 4. So that means we have arrived to our answer. Now the remainder would be 3 minus 2 minus 0. That is 1, and 4 minus 0. That is 4. So our quotient is 10 and remainder is 14. I think it is this side, something is not visible. Just a minute. Is it fine now? Okay. So have you seen?
Perfect, perfect.
This is the procedure. Yeah. Means whatever number we are copying here, we have to multiply this by this number. Whatever number is here. Let us consider one more example. This time we will take 112. And here let us take 1, 2, 5, 7. Again, let us try. First of all, this is 12 more than 100. So it is 12 more. So we will write 1 and 2. We will change the sign of both the numbers. Thereafter, just like the previous question, first number we need to copy over here. So the quotient part will become 1, the first part of this quotient. Then 1 multiplied by 1 bar and 2 bar. So it comes 1 bar and 2 bar. Now again 2 minus 1. We have to subtract this 1 from 2 because here it is bar. Bar means negative number. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Again we need to multiply this 1 by this number. So 1 multiplied by 1, 2. That is 1 bar, 2 bar. Now what can we observe now? The last digit is just below the here last digit. So now we will find the remainder part. Now see one more thing. We have written 2 digits. One we have obtained from here and second digit we have obtained from here. So whatever is the remaining part, that is our remainder. So 5 minus 2 minus 1, that is 2, and 7 minus 2, that is 5. So when you will divide 1257 by 112, the quotient would be 11 and the remainder will be 25. You can cross verify also by your traditional method. 112 multiplied by 11. Here you can use that rule of 11. So it will become 112 into 11. And then we have to add 25. Let us try whether this will come or not. So here we will apply rule of 11. So 2, 3, 2, 1. And then you have to add 25. So 1, 2, 3, 2 plus 25 is 1, 2, 5, 7. We have got the same number. That means our answer is correct. Let us take one more example. $122. Let us take one more digit, 4, 5, 6. Again, first of all, you have to change this sign. This will become 2 bar, this will become 2 bar. So first of all, we will copy 1 from here. यहाँ भी कुछ बड़ा number ले लेते हैं. Let us take 3. Okay. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 1, 2, 2. So first of all, we will copy this 1. Then we multiply this 1 by these two numbers. So it comes 2 and 2. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. Again multiply 1 by this number. So 2 bar, 2 bar. Now 4 minus 2 minus 2. That is 0. Now 0 multiplied by 22. So 0 and 0. Now we can see that the last digit just coincide with this digit. Okay. So now this will be remainder. We have got 3 digit up to this. This is our quotient part, which is 110, and the remainder will be 5 minus 2, that is 3, and 6 minus 0, that is 6. So our final answer is 110 is the quotient and 36 is remainder. In this way, we can even multiply quite bigger number also. Here I have taken 5-digit number this time. You can take 6-digit number also. Thereafter, I will show you when here it is closer to 1000, then also procedure is same. And you can see this is very simple. Let us divide this. So first of all, we will change the sign. This is 13 more, so we will write 1 and 3, both negative. So first of all, we will copy first number, that is 1. Now 1 multiplied by 1 and 3, so it comes 1 bar, 3 bar. Now again 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now again we will multiply 1 multiplied by 1, 3, so it comes 1, 3. Now 5 minus 3 minus 1, again it comes 1. So 1 multiplied by 1, 3 is 1 bar, 3 bar. Now see, again this coincide with the last digit. It is just below the last digit. Whenever this number will reach to that number, below this number, that means our question is over. And since 3-digit is here, so 3 digits, so 3-digit, these were quotient, and here is the remainder. 7 minus 3 minus 1, that is 3. And 9 minus 3, that is 6. So here the quotient is 111 and remainder is 36. Now let us take a 4-digit number. Now I will show you division by a 4-digit number. You will see here the procedure is same. Everywhere we are using Paravartya Yojyet, transpose and adjust. Okay, let us try this one. So first of all, we will write 0, 2, 3, all having bar. Here the base is 1000. So this is 23 more than 1000, so we have to change the sign. Since there are 3 zeros, so we have to write 3-digit over here. Now again start copying. First of all, we will copy this 1 and then 1 multiplied by 0, 2, 3. Here we will write 0, 2, 3. Now again all having bar. So 2 minus 0 is 2 itself. Now 2 multiplied by 0, 2, 3. So it comes 0, 4, 6. This is also negative. Now again 4 minus 2 minus 0, that is 2 itself. Now 2 multiplied by 0, 2, 3. So it comes 0, 4, 6. Now see, up to this number we have written quotient. Okay. And now this will be remainder because there are 3 zeros in the base, so 3-digit will be here. Now let us subtract from this side. 9 minus 6, that is 3. Now here you can see 6 minus 6 is 0 and this is minus 4. So let us write minus 4. And 7 minus 7 is 0. Sometimes this type of negative that remainder will occur. अगर यहाँ पे क्या है, अगर 1 होता तो यहाँ पे डिविंकुलेट इजीली कर सकते थे. ओके, if there is 1 or 2 or some number over here, then definitely we can apply nichilum over here and we will reduce this number. But in this case, we can see here it is negative, but there is no number to reduce. So in that case, what will we do? We subtract 1 from here. Quotient will be reduced by 1. Quotient को एक कम कर लेते हैं. So 122 minus 1, that is 121. This is the quotient. And what will be the remainder? You just have to 1023, you have to add over here. 1023. So 3 plus 3, that is 6. Now see, 2 minus 4, we cannot subtract. You can directly do this. 102 minus 4, that is 98. Or you can apply that rule also. Minus 4 plus 2. So it is minus 2. And then 0 as it is, 1 as it is. And then one more step you will take where you will devinculate. But I think this is easier one, that 102 minus 4. So you can subtract first of all 2. So 102 minus 2 is 100. Then 100 minus one more 2. So it comes 98. So our quotient is 121 and remainder is 986. Let us consider 2 more examples. 1 0 1 2 1. Here it is a 5-digit number. 1 0 2 3 4 5 7. Now let us try this one. So first of all, 0 1 2 1. All the digit. Here the base is 10,000. So first of all, we will copy 1 and then we multiply 1 by this number. So 0 1 2 1. Again 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by this number, 0 1 2 1. Now see 3 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, we are on this step. I think I have misread this. 0 minus 0, this step is left. So first of all, just a moment. See, first of all, we have copied this 1. 1 multiplied by this is 0, 1, 2, 1. Now 0 minus 0, that is 0. So 0 multiplied by this is 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 times, because there are 4 digits over here. Now 2 minus 1 minus 0. So that comes 1 only. Now 1 multiplied by 0, 1, 2, 1. So 0, 1, 2, 1. Now see, we have reached to the last digit. So whatever I have copied here, 1 from here, 0 from here, and 1 from here, remaining all these digits will be remainder. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 2. And 3 minus 2 is 1. Now see, the number was 10,23,457 and divided by 10,121. The quotient part is 101, whereas the remainder part is 1,236. So this method is applicable when here the base is closer to 10 or the power of 10. 10 power means if 10 power 1, so it is 10. 10 power 2, just like we want to divide by 12. So we can use this method for dividing this number. Later, I have shown you then closer to 100, 1,000, 10,000. So in this way, you can solve any kind of question. Let me show you 2 more question. Suppose that we want to divide this. So first step is base is 1,000. Base is 1,000. So this is 0, 2, 1 more. So we will change the sign first. Then here number is 2. So we will copy 2. And then 2 multiplied by this number. So 0, 4, 2. We will write 0, 4, 2. And here we will place this bar. Now 0 minus 0, that is 0. 0 multiplied by this number, 0, 0, 0. So we have got the answer. 9, 5 and here 1. 20 is the quotient and 159 is remainder. If it is say quite more, one more digit is there. First of all, you note down this. Then I will show you if one more digit is there, then what we have to do. Now let us take, say one more digit is here. 8. So up to this step was right. I think I have written 20. Yes. So now instead of writing this remainder, we will again proceed like first of all we have copied 2, then 2 multiplied by this we will write here. Then 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 multiplied by this is 0. Now 5 minus 4 minus 0, that is 1. And 1 multiplied by 0 to 1 is 0 to 1. Now again see, up to this step I have written quotient and the last one is coincide. So now remainder will be 7 minus 2, that is 5, 9 minus 2, that is 7, and 8 minus 1, that is 7. So 577 is the remainder and 201 is quotient. So you can see this method is very simple, and after a little bit of practice you can do it mentally also. Just you have to memorize that 0, 4 and 2 is here. Here is 0, so you can skip this step. Then we will write 0, 2, 1. So this can be done mentally after some practice. So this was all about Paravartya Yojyet. But note that this method is applicable when this number is closer to, means little bit more of 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000. And this number should also start with a smaller number. Otherwise, what will happen, say this number is bigger. So here this part will be bigger, say this will become 8, so 5 minus 8 it will become minus 3, so we will write minus 3 over here. Then you need to use vinculum also. Then minus 3 multiplied by minus, then it will be plus. So once you will practice on this, when you will be you will find perfection, then you can go for the negative number also. And even if number is 98, we will show you in the next class when number is below base, just like 98, 89, 987, 996. Then how you have to divide? You will find the procedure is similar. Here we were changing the sign, there also we have to change the sign. So Nikhilam and Paravartya Yojyet methods are quite similar. Let me show you one more example. Okay, so first of all, 1, 2, 3 over here. We will copy 1, then 1 multiplied by 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar. So it comes 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar. Again 2 minus 1, that is 1. So now again we multiply 1 by 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar. So 1 bar, 2 bar and 3 bar. Again 5 minus 2 minus 1, that is 2. So 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 3 is 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar. So 2 bar, 4 bar and 6 bar. Now you can see we have reached to the, this is in the same line. So now we will calculate remainder. 112 is the quotient. What will be the remainder? 8 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2. That is 1. 9 minus 3 minus 4. That is 2. And 7 minus 6. That is 1. So here the quotient is 1 to 1. Quotient is 112 and the remainder is 121. If you want to cross verify, you simply need to multiply these two number and add this, you will get your answer. So this was all about Paravartya Yojyet. So
बोलिए
yes,
नवीन जी। जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
जय
प्लीज
श्री राम।
बताइए।
हाँ नहीं, मैं बता रहा था नेक्स्ट क्लास में इसका नेक्स्ट टॉपिक करेंगे, देन इट विल बी कंप्लीटेड, कि जिसमें बेस से कम होता है, ठीक है, तो उसको भी हम करेंगे। तो उससे क्या होगा कि फिर कोई भी नंबर होता है 10, 100, 1000 उसके पास, तो उसको इससे कर सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। दोस्तों, आपको ये बहुत उपयोगी होगा, यही मेरा हमारा रेदर आशा है। ये है इनका आर्यन वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स प्रोग्राम है इनका। इसका चेक कर लो। नवीन भार्गवा जी उसका एमडी हैं और ये आके इधर अपना समय देते हैं, बताते हैं। ये इतना, he will be a blessed person. He helps lot of student in poor community also. Okay, so support in any which way you can, and if you are looking for franchise, there is nothing better than that. And I can say you, Naveen ji has a clear mastery on this subject. Okay, many people run Vedic mathematics program, but I see them, they don't have the full grip. I talk to many people on Vedic mathematics. They call themselves a teacher, right? Naveenji, uh, but they say we know certain tricks, certain formulas, kind of things. I never said somebody so confidently that I can do things. You know what I mean? Not never
Yeah,
said. There are a lot of people out there. Okay,
yeah.
so that is for sure, because it takes a lot of learning, lot of going through, lot of practicing, and so do contact friends and yeah, take advantage of the whole thing. And if you are abroad, especially, this is a great franchise to have, is my thought. Okay, just Naveenji, thank you very much for coming to the show and explaining. Highly appreciated. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.